Okay, so today we're going to talk about the 3 lessons that every real estate entrepreneur learns too late. I myself learned these too late. A lot of my clients learned them too late, and they're really simple. This is not brain surgery here. So, first one, get a coach. Find someone that allows you to get better faster, that pushes you to the next level, because you'll just never do it for yourself. Even though you want to, you won't. The coach needs to push you. The second thing, automate your processes. You have to have systems and automations and frameworks that can do it by themselves when you're not working. You can't work 24 hours a day, but you need to be available for your clients. You need your clients to think that you are. So automate your processes. And third, have a lead source. Have a way to be getting leads, whether that's your social media and you're getting those leads organically, or whether you're using Facebook ads, whatever it is, you need to have one way where you're actually getting other leads besides referral-based leads, because you need to have multiple streams of lead sources. So get a lead source that's not referral-based, an outside lead source. There's your 3. Take these habits, jump on them, make it happen. Let's do this.